guys, I just got back from the neurologist. I just wanted to update you guys that I am going to be scheduled to get an MRI for the very frequent migraines I've been getting, and my blood pressure has been a little bit elevated, and I think it's in result of the migraines as well. So I have to monitor that as well. But thank you so much for all of your prayers, and I'll let you know once I get the MRI. You guys will probably come with me anyways. So let's open the advent calendar for the morning. All right, day 20. Ooh, we got some candy. And it's a chubby reindeer. He's so cute. Okay, let's move on to the Atelier calendar. I don't know why I tied that back up yesterday. Here's number 20. It's a big one. Ooh, we've got rose body lotion. For lunch, I'm having this ricotta cheese and spinach ravioli lean cuisine. By the way, the enchilada lean cuisine that I had the other day was very good. It was very tasty, but I already know I really love this one. This is one of my favorites, so I definitely suggest this one. So today I'm going to be doing a really fun, cute Christmas project that you can definitely do with the kids too. And it's really cute as little gifts to give to teachers or friends and family. And so I'm going to be doing the recipe in a second for Mexican wedding cookies. So we're going to make cookie snow globes, look-alike snow globes. So you're going to need a few items before you make the cookies. So you're going to need some mason jars. I really like these mason jars that don't have the the ball logo is only at the very bottom here. So you see all the way through the mason jar. You can get these at Joann's or Michael's. You can get them at bulk at other locations. I just have one here to show you. You'll also need some white paint with a small tip paintbrush, or to make it even simpler, you can get a paint pen in white. And then you're gonna need some little things to put inside your mason jar. So you can get little figurines like little deers, little snowmen, or I'm going to be using these little bottle brush trees. I got them at the Target dollar spot. They were $3 for a set of 5. So, set of 6. So these are a little smaller variety, and then we have a set of 4. These are a little bit of a medium size, but I have seen these at Joann's as well. And then you're either going to want to use some ribbon to tie around the jar or some cute baker's twine like this. All right, let's get started. So first we're going to take our mason jars and we're going to paint little teeny snow drops all over the, I would say 3/4 of the way down, because if you put the snow on the bottom here, you're not going to see it. So I'm using a paint pen like I said to you guys earlier, and I'm just drawing little snow drops onto the jar, just like that. And once I'm finished, I'll show you how it looks. Alright, as you can see, I've got a snow-covered mason jar here, and we're going to set this down to dry as we're making our cookies. So next we're going to be making Mexican wedding cookies. So you're going to need a cup of melted butter or softened butter, and also going to need a 1/2 cup of confectioner sugar, powdered sugar. And I've already put that in my KitchenAid here because I'm going to beat the sugar with the butter until it's nice and fluffy. Then here I have 2 cups of flour and a teaspoon of salt combined together, and also a 1/2 cup of finely chopped pecans. So I just had regular chopped pecans, so I had to smash them down a little bit more with a rolling pin. Easily done. So like I said, I'm going to first combine the butter and sugar till it's nice and fluffy, then slowly incorporate the flour mixture, and then go ahead and incorporate the nut mixture. You also are going to need a teaspoon of vanilla, and that's going to go in with the butter before the flour. Now I've lined my baking sheet with a silicone mat, or you can use parchment paper. As you can just hear, my oven is set for 350 degrees. And now I'm gonna take a tablespoon And I'm going to roll the dough into 1-inch balls. That's actually a little too big. Roll them into 1-inch balls and place them on my baking sheet. And these are going to bake in the oven for 15 minutes until slightly brown. When they just come out of the oven, this is what they're gonna look like. And you're gonna automatically roll them in the remaining confectioner's sugar until they're nice and coated. And then once they cool completely, you are gonna roll them again for a second time. Okay, so we've got our snow-covered mason jar. I'm gonna unscrew the top here, and I'm going to put this as my front, the plain side here. And I'm gonna pop the Mexican wedding cookies inside. I might have to drop them, to be honest, because my hand's not gonna fit in there. All right, that took me taking a spoon and plopping them down in there. And it kind of looks like bumpy snow, right? So you got your cookies in there, so now you're gonna stick your little items in. Like I said, I think I'm gonna do it in the front here. Push this cookie over. I might do 2 big trees. Let's see. I think I'm gonna put the big tree in the back. Scooch that cookie over. Hope you guys can see that. And then I'm gonna put the little baby tree in the front here. And there you got your little snow globe scene with your Mexican wedding cookies. And then you're gonna put your lid back on once you got it all how you would like it. And then we're gonna tie some ribbon just around the front here for an extra little touch. Now I'm using one that says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas," but like I said, you could use like twine or something like that as well. And there you have it, guys, your own little cookie snow globes. Isn't that so stinking cute? I can't wait to see your take on this. You guys, after making that huge mess and doing those really cute jars, I just thought to myself that what would be way simpler and I think just less messy is to do the Oreo truffles in the mason jar and put the little trees in or whatever you want, because they're smaller, so you can like get them in a little bit easier, and they're not messy. They don't get all over the jar. I noticed that with these cookies, the powdered sugar gets all over the jar and it kind of makes smears on the jar, and it's just not as pretty and like pristine, and I'm kind of, you know, obsessive compulsive, and that's what I would do next time. But I'm going to have everything linked down below in a blog post, so with pictures and all the instructions on how to make those cookies and all the supplies you'll need to make those. So I hope you guys enjoy. I have quite a bit of cleanup to do. Goodness gracious. But in the midst of all that baking, look at what someone sent me. Thank you so much, Michelle. So Michelle works, I don't know if she works at Home Goods or TJ Maxx, and she was on the lookout for me for this Rae Dunn. Yes, it is a Rae Dunn canister. It's my first Rae Dunn canister, actually. And this is the one I was looking for, the little gingerbread man that says, "Oh snap." And she got it for me, and she wrapped it so securely. And I just want to say a super big thank you to you, Michelle. I'm just like obviously overjoyed because I can't even speak. So it's so cute, and I'm just really excited. Harley, we on a walk? He was very excited to go for a walk, and it's so beautiful out. All right, guys, Mama B got her countertops in today. These are nice new granite. Nice new granite. And let me show them your new sink. She's already cooking, Mo.
Well, I'm filling up my pot.
I'm going to get the same kind of sink.
You want to see it?
What's it called again, Mom, this kind of sink?
It's quartz composite, I think. Yeah.
And then a nice new faucet. Fancy. All right, this is how far we've gotten so far. But that's where we're going. Illumination.
Illumination.
Look at that, guys. We're finally here.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping. Well, I've brought some corn for Polly. The lights are turned way down low.
So I forgot to tell you guys what that was all about. So the Illumination is a drive-through light show, and it's so, I don't even think the camera really captures how awesome and bright it is. And you set your radio to a specific station, and the lights go in like in synchronization with the music. So it's really cool. And unfortunately, I couldn't show you the music with the lights because copyright. So you got to see all the pretty lights, but unfortunately with different music. But we had a great time, and now I am sitting here about to watch the final mid-season finale of Riverdale, episode 8 of season 3. It's really good. And I'm just going to edit the vlog, and that's pretty much it for my night. So I will see you guys again tomorrow. Can you believe that tomorrow's already going to be day 21? Oh my goodness. We're getting so close to Christmas.